Ever wonder how to get rid of a Facebook business page you no longer need? Facebook doesn't make it easy, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show you the exact steps to delete your page for good. First, log into your Facebook account. Click the business page profile picture on the bottom right. Scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Scroll down and find Access and Control. Here you'll find two crucial options. Deactivate page. This temporarily disables your page. It's hidden from Facebook, but you can always reactivate it later if you change your mind. Or permanent delete. If you're absolutely sure you want to remove your page forever, this is the option to choose. We will choose permanently delete. Continue. You'll be prompted to select a reason for deleting the page. And then you will be asked to enter your password. And after that, your page will be permanently deleted. In case you don't want to permanently delete your Facebook page and deactivate it instead, check out this video.